how to use enchanted books in Minecraft. So just simply go to an enchantment table right here and just simply right click on it, and you will need some lapis and of course books. Just simply place the book right there, and of course the lapis, and here you will see the enchantment that are available. So let's say quick charge, loyalty, and sharpness. So let's say I want sharpness, just simply click on it, and of course you could just do this again and again till you lose your materials, or it's up to you when you want to stop. So let's say I also want some knockback, and as you can see, I already have a knockback right here. I'm just gonna put it here on my inventory, and then the next thing you want to do, just simply get an anvil. So place it anywhere you want, right click on it, put the item that you want to enchant. So let's say I want to enchant my diamond sword with the sharpness right here. So just simply get the enchanted book, put it right there, and it will cost me enchanted. It will cost 1. Simply click on it. As you can see, it will be automatically enchanted. All right, look at this. As you can see, it's now enchanted. And that's how you basically use enchantment books in Minecraft.